Hey, y'all, what's going on? Hey, Felicia here. Hey, I wanted to give you guys some news about one of my programs that I've been hosting for many, many years, a lot of years. It is going away. The Contractors Edge Bootcamp will be discontinued at the end of this month. So you can kiss it goodbye. Now, you still have time to join. So if you're looking to get your first bid done, if you're looking to get help with finding opportunities, going through the bid process, solicitations, proposals, maybe you need help with pricing, or maybe you've been awarded a contract and you need to learn about contract management. Come join us in the Contractors Edge Bootcamp. Now, remember I just said it's going to be discontinued at the end of the month because it's time for us to evolve and create something new. So I do have a new course coming out in July. It's called Bid to Win. All right. So in Bid to Win, we're going to focus on the bid process and being awarded in the contract. Those are the things that we're going to focus on. Okay. Also, you can go to contractorsedgebootcamp.com, learn all about the bootcamp, what it entails, what comes with it, what we're covering, and then also it'll direct you to the page where you can learn about Bid to Win as well, so you'll know what we're covering in there. Here's the reason why I am redirecting you there as you look at the bootcamp, because when you join us in the Contractors Edge Bootcamp, by the end of this month. Now remember, it's going to be discontinued at the end of the month. Now I do have some bonuses that will start to go away as well. So let me share those bonuses with you when you decide to join us in the boot camp now. One, you're going to get access to Bid to Win, the course. Yes, you're going to get access to that when it's released next month. You also are going to get access to the coaching vault. So the coaching call vault, and that's going to help some of you guys that maybe you're going through the material. Now let me tell you, the material is very extensive. It covers a lot of questions that people have, but maybe you still have a question. I can probably bet that I've answered that question inside of the coaching vault. So you're going to get access to that. You're also going to get access to the Government Contractor Accelerator 2-day retreat recording that I did. So you get access to that. So that's more training. You'll hear me coaching clients during that time as well. You'll also get access to our monthly group coaching calls. So we're still hosting those through the end of the year. So when you sign up, you'll get access to that. You'll be able to join us for the monthly group coaching calls, just in case you have questions from July through November of this year. So I just gave you 4 bonuses, right? When you sign up for the Contractors Edge Bootcamp now, you'll get access to the new course as well, Bid to Win. You're going to get access to the 2-day virtual retreat recording. You're going to get access to the coaching call vault. I feel like I'm leaving something out. So you're going to get the new course, coaching call vault, monthly group coaching calls, and the 2-day retreat recording. Yeah, there you go, 4 things. In addition to that, when you sign up now, you will also have a savings. I don't do these too often, but I do have a savings going on right now where you'll save $1,000. Once it's gone and you don't see it there, it is gone. So no need to ask, it's gone. Okay, I've given you guys plenty of opportunities. So if you're in my community, you've probably already seen it, especially if you're on my email list. I always go to you guys first and give you opportunities to take advantage of whatever I have going on. So if you're not on my email list, it's the place to be. All right, so remember, in the Contractors Edge Bootcamp, we talk about the 5 phases: position, perform, profit, partner, and pace. If you're just getting started, you want to go through those phases. Now, as we transition into Bid to Win, we're going to cover 5 phases. Let me see if I remember them correctly. We have position, proposal, price, partner, and perform. Okay, that's what we're covering in Bid to Win. So we're strictly going to focus on the bidding process, finding opportunities, putting together your bid and proposal, pricing, right? And then also award management. That's what we're going to cover in Bid to Win. So again, if this is your time, if you've been following me for years and saying, okay, I'm going to join, well, guess what? After this month, that's it. It's a wrap. Contractors Edge Bootcamp will be no more. It will be discontinued, and we will be moving into the Bid to Win course. And then Bid to Win, you can go to the website, FeliciaStreeter.com, click on courses, and you'll see the Bid to Win course. Or you can go directly, FeliciaStreeter.com/bid. Is it bid contracts or win more contracts? I don't remember. But go to FeliciaStreeter.com and you'll see courses at the top, and it'll tell you about the new course as well. So remember, just a quick recap. Right now, there's 4 bonuses when you sign up for the Contractors Edge Bootcamp, in addition to $1,000 savings. And remember, those bonuses will start to go away. The $1,000 savings will go away as well. You can always go check out the bootcamp page itself and see what savings you can get, what bonuses are being offered. And then if you don't see them, they are gone. If you have any questions, you're not sure if it's a good fit for you, you can definitely shoot us an email over at support@FeliciaStreeter.com. Or if you're watching this on social media or something like that, you can always DM us on that particular platform. But don't miss out on this opportunity if it's something that you want to do. I'll be giving you more updates as the bonuses disappear and as we roll out the new course. All right, and I look forward to helping you guys any way I can get your first bid done. And then remember, you're just one contract away. Bye for now.